Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. In the lecture series of Material Studio, we are at the lecture number 30, and in today's lecture we will learn about how to run X-ray diffraction calculation in Material Studio, how to get a diffraction pattern. So for this, firstly you have to optimize the structure. As I get LA-DOP silver nanobite structure, so for optimization you have to use the K-step module or DML3 or forset module. So as I optimize this with K-step, and after optimization, when after clicking on modules, we will see a reflex module in Material Studio, and from here we set pattern processing and powder diffraction. So firstly let's set pattern processing. uh, Here we have three option, K alpha 2, and the second one is preparation, and the third one is processing. So as I'm taking all of these by default, and as it's a very rough calculation just for understanding, so I take this all by default, and then click again on a reflex. From here select powder diffraction. Here we have a lot of options: temperature factors, asymmetry, experimental data, and a lot of things. So I'm taking all of these by default. You have to set it and your own requirements. After setting all these parameters, simply click on calculate, and you will see the diffraction peaks. So you see, in on the x-axis we have 2 theta, and on the y-axis we have intensity. Okay, so let's say for example we are let's calculate for one other structure, and this is cerium dioxide. So as I already optimized it, what we have to do is to click on modules, and from here pick a reflex module, setting all the parameter. Okay, and then click again on reflex and click on powder diffraction. Here one can set all the these parameters like temperature, radiation, asymmetry, experimental data, and anything. After setting all these parameters, simply click on calculate. So within second you will get a diffraction pattern. Okay, on the x-axis we have 2 theta, and on the y-axis we have intensity. So with this, thank you very much. If anyone have any question, please feel free to ask.